All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to do something that sounds kind of impossible. We're going to take a single sentence, just a simple idea, and turn it into a fully live web app. We're talking about how AI can literally be your co-founder, your architect, and your lead developer all rolled into one. And we're not talking months of work. We're talking minutes.
Okay, be honest. You've had that brilliant app idea, right? That million-dollar concept that hits you in the shower. But then reality kicks in. The mountain of code, all that tedious setup, the debugging, ugh. But what if you could just skip all that? Seriously, what if you could build a fully working application just by describing it? In plain English. In a few minutes. Well, that's exactly what we're going to walk through today. So here's our game plan, step by step. First, we'll spark the idea with a simple prompt. Then we'll watch the AI literally forge the app right in front of us. After that, we'll do a quick tune-up and customize it. Then comes the big one. We'll launch it for free for the whole world to see. And finally, we'll look at how to take this to a whole other level with advanced AI collaboration. Let's do this.
All right, step 1, the spark. This is all about translating our idea into a language the AI can understand. And believe it or not, our journey doesn't start with a single line of code. Nope. It starts with one sentence. Using a tool like Google's AI Studio, your idea is literally the only thing you need to kick this whole process off.
Now, check out this example. It's not just make me a card game. No, it's super specific. It says create an app that generates a unique, new Magic the Gathering card. And look at this part. It even tells the AI which tools to use for the job, Imagen for the visuals and Gemini for the text and stats. This is the key right here. The more specific you are upfront, the smarter the AI can be about building the whole thing. And this is where things get really wild. The AI doesn't just start spitting out random code. It actually, it thinks. It creates an entire project plan, a complete blueprint, before it writes a single line. It's analyzing what you asked for, mapping out all the different pieces, figuring out how they'll talk to each other. It's like having an architect plan your entire house before the construction crew even shows up. Okay, on to step 2. The forge. Now, this is my favorite part. It is pure magic. This is where we get to sit back and watch our app literally come to life. You'll see files and folders just appear as the AI constructs a perfectly structured modern web app right before your very eyes. And look, this is exactly what I was talking about. It's not some mysterious black box. The AI shows you its work. You can literally see its thought process step by step, first analyzing, then outlining how everything will connect, mapping the parts, building the logic, and then generating the code. It's like watching a master developer work in fast forward. Okay, if you thought that was cool, this next part is a total game changer. So even an AI can mess up sometimes, right? It might make a typo or import the wrong thing, but get this. It catches its own mistakes. It sees the error, thinks about it for a second, and then just fixes it, all on its own. This self-healing capability is going to save you hours, maybe even days of painful debugging. It's incredible. All right, step 3, the tune-up. Because here's the deal. You are not stuck with whatever the AI gives you first. It's built you a solid foundation, a really great starting point. Now it's our turn to make it our own, to customize it, and to connect it to the real world. So let's do something super practical. Almost every website or app needs a contact us form, right? But getting that form to actually send you an email, that usually means setting up a whole backend server. It can be a real pain. Well, we're going to do it in about 10 seconds with just another prompt. So here's how easy it is. You go to a free service like FormSpree, you sign up, and they give you a special unique link. Then you just go back to your AI and say, hey, see this contact form? Make it send all its data to this link. And boom, the AI knows exactly what to do, it updates the code, and just like that, your simple little form is now a real working part of your app, sending data straight to your inbox. Okay, step 4, the launch. This is the moment of truth. We're taking this amazing app that we just built and we're putting it live on the internet, so anyone, anywhere in the world can actually use it. Now, that word, deployment, it sounds kind of scary and technical, doesn't it? But it's not. All it means is moving your app from your private computer to a public server. Think of it like taking something you built in your garage and putting it in a storefront on Main Street for everyone to see. And the best part? It's never been easier or cheaper. In fact, we're going to do it for free. Seriously, it all boils down to these 3 simple steps. 1, you save your code to a place called GitHub. 2, you connect that GitHub account to a free hosting service like Vercel or Netlify. 3, you click a big button that says deploy. I'm not even kidding. That's it. You're live.
So just like that, your app is on the internet. It has its own URL that you can share with anyone. But wait, it gets even better. From now on, anytime you want to make a change, you just save it back to GitHub, and your live website updates automatically. You never have to manually upload files again. It's just done.
And now for our final step, taking this to the next level. So far, we've built a pretty cool prototype. But what if you started treating this AI less like a tool and more like a senior developer on your team? What if you started giving it really complex, professional-level work to do? Just take a look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Instead of a one-sentence idea, you give the AI a full-on project brief. You tell it the exact technology you want to use, the main features, who the users are, and in return, look what it gives you back. A complete project structure, the entire database plan, all the API connections, even a whole authentication system. This is what we call prompt-driven development, and it is seriously powerful stuff. And this way of working applies to everything. You can have the AI help you hunt down tricky bugs, make your app run faster, design an architecture that can handle millions of users, and even, get this, write all the boring documentation for you. It's a true collaborator. And what does all this mean in the real world? It means speed. Developers who use these AI tools are completing their work up to twice as fast. But it's not just about being faster. It's about changing your job. You stop being just a writer of code, and you become an architect, a director, focusing on the big ideas while your AI partner handles the grind. So there you have it. We went from a single sentence all the way to a live, deployed application. We even saw how you can build massive, professional systems this way. The tools are here. They are ready to go. You literally have an AI co-founder waiting for you. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build first?